Have you ever wondered how you could unlock your financial potential using the latest technology? Well, today we're diving into exactly that. In this rapidly changing world, there's one thing that stands out: artificial intelligence. And if you're not using AI to propel yourself forward, you might be getting left behind. Hey champs, welcome back to MoneyMind Quest. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to use AI to stay ahead in any industry and boost your personal finance success. We're talking about practical, down-to-earth ways you can use this powerful tool to enhance your financial life. So, if you're new to the quest, make sure to join the champs and stick around until the end to take our financial literacy test. It's designed to help you gauge your knowledge and take your money game to the next level. Let's get into it. AI isn't some futuristic concept anymore. It's already here, transforming industries left and right. And if you don't leverage its power, you're missing out on opportunities that could lead to significant financial gains, whether you're an entrepreneur, an investor, or just someone who wants to manage their money better. AI is a game changer. Now, before we dive into how you can use AI in your daily life, let's talk about why you need to keep up with it. The truth is, if you fall behind on AI trends, your financial future could be at risk. Companies that ignore AI will likely lose their competitive edge, and individuals who fail to adopt it might struggle to keep up with the fast-paced changes in the market. First, let's look at the bigger picture. AI has been quietly integrating into every industry. From automating customer service chatbots to improving supply chains, it's revolutionizing how businesses operate. In finance, AI is being used for stock analysis, fraud detection, and even predictive algorithms that tell investors where to put their money. By using AI tools, businesses streamline operations and reduce human error, making them more efficient and profitable. AI helps in personal finance too. Ever wonder how apps like Mint or YNAB automatically categorize your spending? That's AI at work. Using algorithms to provide insights into your financial habits, you can now get personalized financial advice based on your specific situation, all thanks to AI. So how can you use AI to stay ahead and ensure financial success? Let's break it down into practical steps. AI for financial planning and budgeting. The days of manually balancing your checkbook are over. Apps like Pocketsmith and AI-powered tools like Clio can help you budget, track your expenses, and even provide forecasts based on your spending patterns. These tools give you the insights you need to make smarter financial decisions. AI for investment analysis. AI can also be used for investment purposes. Take platforms like Wealthfront or Betterment. They use AI to automate portfolio management, making investing easier and more efficient. AI-driven algorithms analyze market trends and stock performances, helping you make informed decisions without spending hours analyzing data. AI for tax optimization. AI can even help you minimize your tax liability. Services like TurboTax and HR Block now incorporate AI to ensure you're getting all the deductions and credits you're eligible for. They'll guide you through complex tax laws and help you avoid costly mistakes. AI for improving productivity. AI isn't just for managing money, it's a tool for boosting productivity. AI systems like Grammarly or Otter.ai help you work more efficiently by automating repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on higher value activities. In the financial world, time is money, and increasing your productivity can lead to significant gains in the long run. Now, what happens if you don't keep up with AI? Let's get real. Businesses that fail to adopt AI are already falling behind. Think about Blockbuster and Netflix. One was slow to adapt to digital trends, and we all know what happened there. If companies today disregard AI, they'll likely face a similar fate, losing competitive advantages, failing to keep up with service trends, and eventually becoming obsolete. For example, a retail company that doesn't adopt AI-driven inventory management systems may struggle to meet demand or maintain competitive pricing. It's that simple. As an individual, if you don't utilize AI, you'll miss out on insights that could help you grow your wealth and develop skill sets that are relevant. In today's economy, falling behind in AI can mean losing valuable financial opportunities and being outpaced by those who do adopt these technologies. Don't forget to take the financial literacy fitness test at the end of this video. Another critical point: AI laws. AI is growing so fast that regulatory bodies are struggling to keep up. For businesses, understanding these evolving laws is crucial. If you're operating a company that uses AI in its services, you need to be aware of how legislation might affect you. For example, data privacy laws like the GDPR regulate how AI algorithms handle personal data. Failure to comply may lead to significant penalties, hefty fines, and harm to your reputation. For individuals, staying informed on AI laws and regulations is key to ensuring responsible and ethical use of the technology. It's important to understand how your data is being used by these AI tools and how to protect yourself in the digital age. Here is the good news: embracing AI early gives you a competitive edge and keeps you ahead of the curve. Using AI gives you insights that were once available only to those with deep industry connections or expensive consultants. Think of AI as a financial companion that can guide you through complex decisions, whether it's helping you pick the right investments or managing your monthly budget. Picture using AI to analyze market trends and spot hidden opportunities that others might overlook. It's like having your personal financial advisor available 24/7. With AI rapidly changing the landscape of work, it's crucial to start adapting your skill sets now. Whether you're an employee or self-employed, learning how to leverage AI can significantly boost your value. For example, if you're an administrative worker, mastering AI tools like automated scheduling and data management can make you indispensable to hiring companies. If you're a copywriter, incorporating AI into your creative process using tools like ChatGPT for brainstorming or editing can enhance productivity while keeping your work fresh. Staying ahead of AI trends is also vital for long-term success. As AI becomes more capable, certain industries may be completely transformed or even replaced. In the next 5 years, jobs like data entry, telemarketing, and basic customer service could be heavily impacted. To avoid being caught off guard, it's important to keep a close eye on these developments and pivot early. If you're in one of these industries, consider upskilling by learning data analysis, AI programming, or shifting towards more strategic roles where human judgment is still crucial. By actively developing your AI-related skills, you'll position yourself to thrive in a world where technology continues to reshape the future of work. So champs, remember, AI is not just a cool tech trend, it's a transformative tool that can shape your financial future. By incorporating AI into your personal finance strategy, you'll stay ahead in any industry, boost productivity, and ensure long-term success. Don't be the one left behind when everyone else is leveraging AI to their advantage. Be sure to take the financial literacy fitness test using the link in the description below and see where you stand. If you're serious about staying financially fit, you'll want to know how well you're doing, and our test is designed to give you those insights. If you liked today's video, don't forget to join the champs by smashing the subscribe button. Let's keep advancing on the MoneyMind Quest together. Thanks for watching. As always, stay wealthy, be mindful about financial success. With AI by your side, the possibilities are endless. Until next time, champs, stay sharp, stay ahead, and stay financially fit.